Hello student, very good morning. Today we will discuss further about what is linear equation in two variable. As we discussed earlier in part 1 video, this is our part 2. So just a quick revision of that. What we had discussed is what is linear equation in two variable, what is degree, etc, etc. So what was the linear equation in two variable is, we have the example of that x plus y is equals to 7. This is a linear equation in two variable. We have discussed about degree. So there is a very important condition is the highest power of the given equation should be 1. So here 1 1 1 1. So this is a linear equation. Now there is a new topic, simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation? First we see. So when we think about two equations at the same time and try to solve that, then both the equation we can call it as linear simultaneously equations, and we have to find the roots of that equation. So what is roots? The values of x and y, we can call it as roots. So without wasting our time, we will going to solve this. Okay. So here, before solving the question, we have to see 2 or 3 things. What was that? First we have to see the numbers in front of the variables, right? So here the 1 1 1 1, all the numbers should be same. Now we will go for the sign. So here the sign is plus, here plus and minus. So we have to find the opposite ones. Okay. If we got opposite one, like here plus, here minus, we can directly add them. For example, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So as the y is the same and their coefficient is also same, we can directly add them and eliminate one variable and get the answer of another variable. Okay, so we can write here adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So what we get after adding, y get cancelled, this is what 2x, this is what 2x, and this is what 10. So here 2 is multiplication, take the other side, it should be divide, we cancel out and we get x is equals to 5. So I got one root. Now put the value in any of that two equation, we will get y. So let me put in 1. So put x is equals to 5 in equation 1. So first we have to write the equation x plus y is equals to 7. Now put the value, this is 5 plus y is equals to 7. Now look at carefully, this 5 we have to always see the sign before the number, not after the number, right? So here 5 before the number is nothing, that means it's plus. So plus term will carry in this side and it will become minus. So this is what y, this side is y, we want the value of y, right? So rest of things we can take the other side. So here plus y will come minus y. So here 7 we can write as it is. What we took from here? 5. This is plus 5. So here it will be minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So the value of y is 2. So we can write therefore x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2 is the solutions of given simultaneous equations. Correct? So this is our example of simultaneously equation. Now we will take the another example. Here everything is same. What about if the number is not same? Okay. So this is our second example. What? So here the second example is x plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is our second example, right? So nothing is same. So either we can multiply by 3 here throughout the equation and we will make the x term same, or we will multiply 7 2 here and 7 here, and that's a long process, right? So it's simple thing is we have to multiply 3 with the equation 1. So this is 1, this is 2, right? So multiply 3 to equation 1, we get, what do we get? 3x plus 21y is equals to 30, and this is our new equation 3, correct? Now this is same, correct? But both the sign is positive. In the previous example we have seen that one is positive, one is negative, we add them and cancel out that, right? Here both are positive, so what we have to do, we have to subtract that equation, subtract both the equation. Now see how. So we will return subtract equation 3 from equation 2, subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Now look at carefully, very carefully. So here 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is our second equation. What was that? Equation is third equation is this. Now we have to subtract this from this, right? While subtracting, if we write 2x plus 5 minus 3x minus plus 2x plus 5, then this is y. Then if throughout the bracket we have to minus, right? So after opening the bracket, the sign of the inside the bracket should be changed, right? So this will become, this is plus, nothing is in there, this is plus, this become minus. So this is minus 3x, this is minus 2y, and this is plus, so this is also minus 5, correct? Similar manner we were doing the same thing. So we will write, if you write this like 3x plus 21y is equals to 30, 3. So all these signs were changed. So this is minus, this is minus, and this is also minus. Since all are in plus sign, so all are become minus. So as we know, 3x minus 3x should be 0. So this is cancelled. Now both the term is minus, and we know that our basic things is what? If minus 1 is also minus 2, 1 plus 1 is also 2. When we get both the same sign, then the number can we will have to add them with the sign. Okay. So here both are minus, sign will be minus, and the number should be add. Okay. So these two are minus. So we will add them. What was that? 23. Now we will subtract them. See, this is plus, this is minus. 1 plus 1 minus. Number should be get subtracted and use the bigger one sign, right? So 30 minus 27 is 23. What is the bigger number? 30. What is the sign of 30 is minus. So this is minus. Now here both the side is minus, get cancelled. Now y is equals to 23 divided by 23 become 1. Here we got the answer of 1 root. Now what we get? Y is equals to 1, right? Now we have to find the value of x. So here we can put them in any one equation, we can get the value of x. Okay, so we will put y is equals to 1 in equation 1. So here put y is equals to 1 in equation 1, correct? So here we will put y equal to 1 in equation 1. So first here we have to write equation 1. What was that? This is x plus 7y is equals to 10. Now put y is equals to 1. So here x plus 7 into 1, 10. X plus plus 7 is equals to 10 x. Now look at this. This is plus 7, taking other side minus 7. This is as it is 10, this is minus 7, become 3. So the value of x is 3. Hence, x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1 is the solution of given equation. Now, if you think in an exam, while you are solving the question in exam, the terms and the things arise in our mind that whether we got the answer correct or incorrect. So simply you have to do one thing, just put these two values, two roots in the given any one equation. If the value of RHS become the same, then the your answer is right. Start. So what is x? 3. Put here 3. What is y? 1. 7 on the 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So this is right. If you have doubt, then you can check in second one also. So put x is equals to 3. So 3 into 3. What is 2 into 1? What was that? 9 minus 2 is 7. Correct? So our equation, our roots are true. Very right. Okay. So this is our second type of example. In the next lecture, in the next video, we will going to learn about graphs, how to create a graph, how to draw the graph. So everything will be discussed. So this is our another topic of simultaneously equation. Just go through it. If you have any doubt, just comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Dubey Suraj Sir. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.